of Wake Up and Makeup. I'm Dr. S and today we're doing this awesome 5 essential makeup brushes that you need for your beginner's kit as a makeup artist. So I'm sure you're not all becoming makeup artists or professionals or whatever. So I thought let's just talk to you about these 5 essential kits which are multitasking, multi-purpose or whatever you can call them. So I'm going to give you a little bit of knowledge about these 5 important brushes which can actually make your makeup kit. Firstly, I'm going to be talking about the real techniques, buffing brush or stippling brush or whatever you call it, foundation brush. So I think this is an important and essential brush in my 5 essential brush kit because firstly it is dual fibers which makes it perfect for blending to give you that airbrush finish look. See, as you see there are black fibers as well as white fibers on the top. So together they just give you that perfect blended flawless finish and make your foundation just perfectly sit on your face. So I love this brush as a foundation brush. You can apply your foundation with your hands and your fingers, but really it doesn't give you that airbrush look. It will leave your pores open. So when you use brushes like these, they just completely put the product, use less product and give all the rest of the product to your face to fit inside the pores to give you that nice, complete, flawless look. And this is the real techniques, Nick and Chapman brush, if you know the Pixie Woo girls who do YouTube videos here on the YouTube platform. They started off with these brushes and they have a huge range for real techniques. You can go buy it online. I bought mine on eBay, the eBay India store. So it's an absolute favorite of mine because it just gives me the right blend, the right finish, and also it looks pretty chic in my makeup kit. So I'm going to be talking about powder brushes. Now I have these 2 different powder brushes and they look a little sleek right now because I just washed them for the video. So they're normal powder brushes and I love these because they're perfect for powder applications to set your makeup and everything, then to apply your blush and also to apply your bronzer. Now I don't really use these brushes for bronzers, but you can. All you have to do is squeeze them between 3 fingers of yours, dab it into the bronzer, and then that's all. So you see how easy it is. It can be a powder brush for your blush, it can also be a bronzer brush, it can be all sorts of brushes. So I am in love with these powder brushes, and these are a essential brush in my 5 essential brushes for makeup beginners because they're just perfect for all kind of powder applications, and all you have to do is blend in the powder really well for it to sit. Now moving on to the blending brush. Now I know it's very difficult for us to get blending brushes in India, like really good quality ones. So I would suggest one brush that is the absolute favorite of mine. This is the 217 MAC blending brush. Now it can be used for many purposes, but I absolutely love it for my outer corners or my nose contouring and everything. Initially when I took the brush 224 because this wasn't available, so I was using it but was not really happy with it because it's a little fluffy compared to this. So it kind of gets the shadow everywhere, not really specifically in the outer corner. But this is just perfect because it just places the eyeshadow in the right place for me to blend it. So I love this brush. You can use it for your eyeshadow blending and also for your nose contouring. So a very essential brush. I don't know, I'm not sure about like the other brushes that are available for lower. This could get a little expensive. It was for like I think 1800 at the MAC store. So some of y'all might not be happy with it, but I'm not really sure where you can get these kind of brushes in India. But you can look up for some stuff at Crawford Market if possible for you to get something like this if you're living in Bombay. Otherwise you can just buy this brush. Believe me, it will just last forever and it is perfect for blending. You will absolutely love it. This will be a great investment. So that's another brush. The next brush that I'm going to is a very nice, cheap and very perfect, one of the most essential brushes in my makeup kit. Now this is a small pencil brush, or you can call it a smudge brush, and this is from Colorbar. Not at all expensive. It's for like 300 bucks or something. So I love it to get into my lower lash line, to get into my absolute outer corner, and you know, this is perfect for blending your lids, upper eyelid, all over the eyelid. So I love this brush for all those purposes. So this is an absolute favorite of mine. It is essential, you need it, and it just acts as a perfect smudge brush. And last but not the least is my eyebrow brush. Now every makeup look or every makeup is incomplete without fill-in brows. Now you can fill in your brows with earbuds that I showed in a particular video of mine, that is a budget-proof video. But if you really don't mind going out and buying a nice small angled brush like this, it is just perfect to fit into your brows. It gives you that nice defined look, and it's a must because if your eyebrows are incomplete, your entire makeup look is incomplete. So it is very important to have good, nice filled brows. This just does the job. So I absolutely love this brush. You can also use it to line your upper eyelid with the gel eyeliner, or your lower eyelid with some eyeshadow. So this is again a multitasking. So basically these are the 5 essential brushes that I would suggest you guys to have in your makeup kit as beginners, because they just do the job the way it has to be done. So you cover up all aspects of makeup basically with the use of these 5 brushes. I'm not saying that you really have to go ahead and invest in 2 brushes like Real Techniques. This can get really expensive. It's like around 2,000 bucks or something, or more maybe. So these can be a little expensive brushes, the MAC 217. So, but it's an absolute great investment for you if you want to carry on the makeup for a longer time. So these are really good investment. You shouldn't think twice before buying them. And these brushes are also available in I can say Vega brushes or Color Bar brushes. So you can go ahead and buy these brushes on eBay or Flipkart or Nika.com, if I'm not wrong, Nika or whatever it's spelled. I'll be linking it down below. So these are the 5 essential brushes I normally use, and I started off with as a makeup beginner. So I would suggest you to go ahead and get these brushes because they're an absolute favorite of mine, and I'm sure I hope this was helpful. For more such tips and tricks, please stay tuned and keep watching Makeup and Makeup. Bye bye.